Before I start this video, I'd like to say thank you to AutoCenters Arnold in Arnold, Missouri for allowing me to film their vehicles. You should check out their links in the description to their Facebook page and website, and you can find all of the other contact information from there. And thank you guys for watching. Hello, I am Max from Test Drive Blogs, and today, let's have a look at this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. See, it's fairly fancy. Leather seats and everything. Just going to start it up. Key does have remote start. Here's the regular key. Open the door. And let's go and start it up. Seats fires right up. Fuel level is low, obviously. So I'll try and get through this quick. Let's go and close the door. So, mirror controls up here, right and left mirror, windows, window lock, door locks, heated seat controls, right there. Headlights, four-wheel drive is a knob, fog lights, gauge dimmers, windshield wipers, brights, turn signals, cruise control, and audio controls, including these on the steering wheel. This is, I believe, a 6-speed or a 4-speed automatic. As you can tell, it does have trailer mode and overdrive selectable on the shifter there. Flashers, gauges. This thing has 99,000 miles on it. Information control center, or information controls. This have actually DVD, probably the same as the
See the stories at facebook.com/SiriusXM.
SiriusXM radio, DVD player, CD player, power, rewind, seek, band, all that kind of stuff. Aux port over here. Climate controls, as you can tell, has a nice little display down here. Auto, everything. Turn it off. Power lit. Brake adjust. Parking assist off. Traction control off. Wiper sprayers. And our power lit over here. A little bit of a cubby hole in here with a fake wood. Cup holders. Also covered by fake wood. Storage in here with a power lit back here. A little bit of a cubby hole there. Mirror with lights. Speaker for OnStar and your phone, which is all on the mirror here, which is an automatic mirror. Does have a sunroof. Automatic. Also, you can tilt it up via this. Lights, garage link, and I'll go ahead and shut it down for now since it's almost out of gas. And we shall check out the outside. Open the door. Put the window down real quick, actually. Automatic windows on the driver's and passenger sides, I believe. And let's go ahead and turn the flashers and the headlights and the fog lights. Let's go and check out the outside. This is after the updated Avalanche, which I think came out in 2007, the redesign. So this is the LTZ, so it's pretty fancy. I think I actually turned the fog lights off instead of turning them on. Tires are 275 55 R20, so 20-inch wheels. This, of course, the Avalanche is the one that has no crease in between the bed and the cab. And there's these things that you can take out, or they fold up, one of the two, which I can assume I'll show. And there's a stow and go thing, or whatever you call it. You just take out that centerpiece there, and you can have access to the cab. Trailer hitch down below. Parking assist on the bottom there. LED turn signals on the mirrors. Avalanche logo. Very large vehicle, as per always. Let's go and pop the hood. This has the 5.3 liter V8, the Vortec. You can tell it's actually doesn't really take up the whole engine bay. There's quite a bit of space on the other side. Yeah, let's go ahead and shut this. Let's go ahead and unlock the passenger side. So I forgot to mention all power seats, both drivers and passenger side. Heated seat controls are over here too. Fake wood. Kind of some textured area. It's not really padded anywhere. A little bit padded on the top there. Handle. More fake wood coming across the dash. Glove box. And let's go and check out the back seat. Got pinstripe going down the side I didn't even notice before. Rear defroster, yeah, rear defroster. Up here is where you release the window from. You can actually have this window, I believe, tilted out also. I'm sure there's other videos that will show you exactly how that works. Not much space, but I think the seat's really far back. So there's pocket in the back, both seats, radio controls, plug-ins for composite power outlet, cup holders, lights, and also your DVD system, Panasonic's screen. It's very tough to get. Handle. Pull the middle of the back seat down. There's cup holders. And as I said, there's all the controls up here. Your clips and stuff for doing your stow and go. I don't really know exactly what you call it. I'm pretty sure stow and go is the Chrysler thing. To handle here also. And so hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. Be sure to check out AutoCenters website and Facebook page and the links in the description below. And I am out of here. See ya!